This week we had a little bit of a different adventure. We paused on the renovation and we went with some friends to Savannah, Georgia for a birthday celebration. If you stick around, this episode is full of micro entertainment and a bunch of tomfoolery. So on day one, we had to kill a couple hours because we couldn't check into the Airbnb. So we went shopping. We went to an outlet mall actually, and we found a Grunt Style store, which is right up all of our alleys because we're all retired vets. I don't know, there's something like 130 years of service between the five of us, six of us. Here's the beautiful place we're gonna be staying for the next couple days. That part of the story is critical. Not only did we get good deals, the next day we took our friends who showed up a day late, the birthday girl, to go, and we had a great idea.
We have to do sweaters tonight.
We have to, all of us.
Here's the one I picked up for you.
Oh my god.
This is the one I got. I'm holding it. It's that one.
Tell me we can't.
Snowballs.
Tell me we can't do sweaters tonight.
Mine has to have lights.
They light up.
I'm just saying. Mine has to have lights.
I'm telling you.
How much are these dance sweaters?
$50.
If we're gonna do if we're gonna do it,
20% off.
I only want to do this if we can walk into JCPenney and do it right.
What are you talking about?
she wants the whole family photo picture. You got to fucking catch up.
Then we got to check into the Airbnb. We got a little bit of downtime. So we went to a bar, a restaurant called Trailer Parks because that's where he feels at home. And if you're in Savannah, go down to Trailer Parks because it wasn't a trailer park, but it was really good food. 2, 3. After the trailer park, we had a little bit of downtime, so we went back to relax like old people do before they go out to get ready for a main event or a micro main event. And we obliged AJ in getting her JCPenney pictures.
He's a 5-head.
Come on, Misty.
I'm working on it.
Do we need to scoot back a little bit?
So here we are in Waycross, Georgia, and we have a friendcation, somebody's birthday, somebody's 40th.
Somebody's birthday. Look up. Oh.
And you can tell we have the lovely joy going on. And we're getting ready to go into micro wrestling. If you see right behind me, there's a double-decker van. Some call it a sprinter van, but for these guys, it's a double-decker with a swimming pool and a sauna. So we're about to go have some fun.
My name is Michael Jackson. Yeah!
Oh my gosh. Cori's having the best fucking time ever.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's your micro wrestling champion. It's your boy. We can tonight to hear what the champion has to say. So Hot Rod, take it away. Sit. Georgia, make some damn noise! When I say hunt, you say run. Hunt, run. Hunt, run. Hunt, run. Hunt, run.
hedge does.
Holiday season, I'm gonna take it over from Mr. Nesta. So all the kids out there, Santa Claus ain't real. It's your parents getting your presents. So how about I'll put this gun online right here, right now, and a micro rumble. I'm gonna look each and every one of your asses right now. What's your name? Is that what you want? You know what? Enough is said and done. Andrew, do your job, badass. Here we have your micro rumble main event. All micro wrestlers going toe-to-toe and fighting for one thing, that is that championship belt. If you are tossed on the top rope and defeated the floor, you are eliminated. Last micro standing will be the winner. If we're ready to get this on the way, on the count of three. Stand up, close. Stand up, close. 1, 2, 3. And we're off to the Hot Rumble. If you know where it's going to the floor, you are eliminated. Last Michael Stadium will be your winner. And they attack the lumberjack. Mr. Nice Guy has him where he wants him. He is down.
All right, we just got done with micro wrestling. What's everybody think?
Oh my gosh.
Cori, did you love?
Cori loved it. Loved it.
That's the real Cori. I think we had fun. So today we find ourselves with a little bit of free time and in Bonaventure Cemetery. This is the same cemetery that was, I think it was the movie was called Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil. This is the same cemetery that was featured in that show. So today we're going to explore and spend a little bit of time just seeing what there is to see. It's freaking gorgeous, I know that. It's a weird thing to say about a cemetery. Look at that smoking hot chick. Oh, she had her coffee this morning.
Why did you think we were classy?
I was well regarded by the performers.
Right?
I made them great characters. They broke the fourth wall.
Sure did.
Yeah, I think each of us had a moment because I had one. The lumberjack dude came out and was like,
Yeah.
I was like, of all the things in this row, you say I'm inappropriate.
Oh, that's the line? Okay.
Not the giddy up sluts, because he saw giddy up sluts.
Who had the giddy up sluts? So if I had to guess, that's one of those tombs where somebody had the Black Plague and they literally woke up and they found themselves locked inside their tomb because they didn't want the Black Plague to spread. This is like a portal to another freaking world. That's ridiculous. If you ever want to go to Narnia, that's a good example of a place we could go through. We ended the trip off with great food. We went to the original Crab Shack and we went to some overpriced hotel that was supposed to be really nice. And the service was good from the waiter, but the food and the kitchen, they're not worth mentioning. And we capped the night off with Cards Against Humanity. So naturally, that is on the top 10 list of things not to videotape and put on YouTube, unless you want to be shadow banned or kill your career forever. And it was great. At the end of the day, it was a great adventure to spend with our family and, you know, maybe not miss their face so much. But this week, we got to get back to work. We've got a house to get done. Thanks for coming along in the journey. I hope that maybe this inspired you to maybe reach out to someone that you've been missing or thinking about that feels like family and, you know, plan something. Go have some fun. If you like this content, if you could do me a micro favor and like, subscribe, comment, send it to a friend, it's the best way to help us out freely. As always, I'm going to ask for a favor with a twist this week. If someone hasn't already asked you this week, do me a favor. Make the life you deserve.